Hey guys, it's me again. I'm going to show you how to build a pallet compost bin.
Okay, let's get started. The first thing you need is 4 pallets. Now, I really only have 3.5, so I'm going to try and put this one back together. I had robbed a number of the boards off of it for other pallet projects, and so now I have to screw at least 2 boards back in. So once you get your 4 pallets, set them out and figure out which ones are going to be your side walls, which one's going to be your front wall, which one's going to be your gate. For this next part, I've seen a bunch of folks who've used zip ties to hold their pallets together. But I really didn't want to use zip ties because in my experience, they dry out and break over time. So I used 2-inch wood screws and I drilled through the slat board on the outside pallets into the frame board or the 2x4 on the back wall pallet. So now I'm going to build the gate. Because I had robbed all the boards off of this pallet, I had a bunch of nails sticking out and I didn't want sharp nails poking me or scratching me as I was using the composter. So I took a hammer and beat them all down. Obviously, if you don't have this problem, you don't need to solve it. After I've got it all situated, I put it in place and then used a drill to drill a hole in the 2x4 on the outside wall and then on the edge of the gate on both sides. This is going to allow me to use a simple rope hinge and latch to secure the front gate. Now, using 1/4-inch rope, I'm going to thread it through the holes and cut it to length. First, I start with the latch side and then the hinge side. Be sure to melt the end of the rope after you cut it so that it doesn't fray over time.
This is your hinge wall, so I put a slip knot on here and just tied a keeper at the end. When you want to open the door, you just slide this back, drill a hole here and here, and then tie it with a piece of rope.
All right, now let's go find some compost to throw in there. I cleaned out my chicken coop this morning, so I've got all these pine shavings that are ready for the composter.
After you put the compost material into the bin, you want to give it some water. This will help start the process of breaking it down into compost. You will also want to make sure you add water every time you add a layer.
All right guys, that's it. Composter's ready to go. Give it a couple of months, turn it regularly, add water between layers, and you'll have some rich compost for your garden. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check out the other videos on our channel and subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram @Redbeard Homestead.